In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a PayPal business account. Setting up a PayPal business account is a straightforward process and can be an invaluable tool for managing your financial transactions online. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to paypal.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice in the top right corner of the screen, there's an option to sign up. Go ahead and click that. PayPal will present you with two choices here, a personal account or a business account. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the business account option, which provides a suite of features tailored for companies such as invoicing, secure payment processes, and more. Now that you've chosen business account, PayPal will ask for your information. This includes details like your email address, business name, and more refined specifics about what your business does. It's crucial to ensure that all the information you provide is accurate and up to date, as this will help minimize any potential issues in the future, like payments not processing correctly due to an address mismatch, for instance. With your details filled in, you'll next be given the opportunity to read through PayPal's terms and conditions. It's always advisable to take a little time to go over these. They give valuable insight into what you can expect, any potential fees, and how PayPal handles your security and privacy. Ensuring that you're comfortable with these terms is key before you proceed. Once you're familiar with the terms, if there's anything extra you'd like to address, like a note or special message, now's the time to do so in the section provided. Now, it's time to finalize your setup by clicking on Agree and Create Account. By doing this, you're consenting to PayPal's terms and officially creating your business account. From this point onwards, you can start exploring the various options available through your dashboard. You can link your bank accounts, set up invoices, and discover all the tools PayPal has to offer to streamline your business transactions. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations, you've just set up your PayPal business account. Keep in mind that if you ever run into any issues or have further questions, PayPal's customer service can be a great resource. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tech tips and tricks.